Hey guys, long time no see, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll install BONOSS wheel spacer for this Porsche 718.
For the choice of wheel spacers, it is usually recommended the distance between the wheel and the fender flush as a reference for the best size of the wheel spacers. If the perfect thickness you need is around 3mm to 20mm, simply slide over your existing wheel hub, secured by a set of new longer wheel bolts.
The lightweight class of BONOSS wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reducing unsprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively.
By pushing out the wheel, you can gain a small amount for clearance for bigger wheels. Having your wheel brought out ideal distance allows for mounting performance parts without wheel scratching.